Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to go over activity number 2. It's right here at the top, activity number 2. And this story is called Building a Park. Read it with me. Building a Park. Ray and his family live in a city, in una ciudad. The houses on their street have small yards. No one has room for a slide. The yards are too small to play ball. The neighbors want to build a park. First, they picked a spot. There was an empty lot on the street. It was the right type of place for a park. Look at that word type. So what are the neighbors trying to do, boys and girls? What did we learn here at the beginning? They want to what? Build a park. And why do they want to build a park? What is wrong with their yards? Sus yardas. What's wrong with them? They are too small to play. So the neighbors want to build a park for the kids. And they found the right space. Un lugar muy bien, que es para poner allí una resbaladilla, right? So they found, it says it was the right type of place for a park. Un lugar correcto. Next, the neighbors made drawings of the park. They put in places to play. They put in tables where people could eat. And everyone helped to clean up the lot. Oh, it sounds like it's going to be a really nice playground. One group of neighbors planted grass. Another group helped Mr. Johnson build tables. Mrs. Silva's company gave swings and slides. People helped to set them up. Now Ray's neighborhood has a place for people to play, rest, and eat. How cool is that, boys and girls? Let's see the questions right here. We have 5 questions for activity number 2. Do you see activity number 2 up here? Make sure you are on the right page. Let's look at question number 1. Why did the neighbors want to build a park? What was wrong with their yards? Why did they want to build a park? Number 2. What did they do first? What was the first thing they did in the story? Look for your keyword. You have to find that keyword first. Number 3. Find 4 words that have the same vowel sound as the word make. Ooh, so now we're looking for the long A sound, like in make. Remember, if we have a long sound, the vowel will always say its name. So what words can you find in the story that have the long A sound? We're looking for A, A, A. And if I look here, boys and girls, maybe there's some here that I can see, like in place. I gave you a clue. Now let's look at number 4. A big blank of people were standing outside. Let's see which word makes this sentence complete. A big cloud of people, una nube de gente. B. A big group of people were standing outside. A big funny of people were standing outside. Or a big about of people were standing outside. And number 5. It was the right blank of soil for a plant to grow. It was the right slow of soil for a plant to grow. Slow quiere decir despacio. B. It was the right jump of soil for a plant to grow. C. It was the right type of soil for a plant to grow. Or D. It was the right once of soil for a plant to grow. Do you remember what the word once means? We had this as a sight word. Once, solo una vez, once. Okay, that was activity number 2, and that activity goes with building a park. Easy peasy. I'm going to go ahead and go over activity number 3 with you. Oh, you know what? No, I'll do it in the next video, so you don't get a lot of information in one video. I'll see you in the next video with activity number 3, okay, boys and girls?